Hey guys, this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. Just finishing up a house here in Deltona. Good evening guys, it's about 6:30. We're about to wrap up a project here. We just finished a roof. This is perfect scenario, not a lot of rotted wood. Basically a one-day roof. I'm gonna pan the camera around here and show you just a little bit about that. All right, so we are up here and this is an IKO Castle Gray. This is a really nice looking roof. This is a really popular color now. So you can see we replaced all of the off-ridge ventilation with new off-ridge vents. All new ventilation, all new pipe penetrations. And you can see really nice straight lines. The hip and ridge looks really nice as you come around the front side of the house here. You can see our truck down there, XLR8 Roofing. One thing that we like to do as project managers, kind of walk the site, just make sure everything looks good. As you can see, everything looks real nice, really nice, clean, straight lines. The flashing was still in really good shape on this home. We actually didn't have to replace any wood on this home. Considering it was OSB, it was a really great thing. We did have a lengthy battle with the insurance company. The insurance company accepted the claim on this home, but they underfunded the home to where the homeowner was gonna have to put a 3-tab system on here, and we just weren't gonna allow that to happen. So we kind of had to go the long way with this one, but the homeowner is super happy. They end up paying for their deductible. The attorneys were able to work out a settlement with the insurance company, which is always a bonus. We always don't really like to go that route, but in this case, we didn't want the homeowner to have to come out of pocket for storm damage. So they had some wind-driven shingles on this home, so everything came out really nice. As always, we really appreciate watching our videos. Hope you can sign us up for the next roofing contract. And if you have any questions or need any free estimates, we offer those as well. Thanks again, this is Phil.